South Park episode. The
Heard
vac.
about it, but I didn't see it.
Okay, so the Vax episode, okay, which I just watched yesterday. I'm not connected to anything. Like I haven't watched mainstream, and I can't even remember how long, other than clips on, YouTube, or that my team sends me to research. But in the South Park episode, there was a shot of an adrenochrome. Can't believe I just said that, but I slip every once in a while. But there was a package of that, and it actually showed them drinking this, right? But on that little pouch, there was a picture of a little boy, and it wasn't like a South Park character boy. It was an actual little boy. And one of the Anons did a reverse image search on that, okay, and was led to a place in the Caribbean, a private school in the Caribbean. This boy there. Now that can be faulty, but that can also be true. But another thing is one of my team came up with the that it looked like the boy from the Podesta video. Um, Someone I used to know, that video with the boy who's painted different colors,
Hmm.
and it looks like Podesta is singing to him um, that song. And I'm going to see if I can pull this up for us. But basically, just to get to the point of it, is that Trey Parker and Matt Stone are very anti-establishment. They're very crude with their humor, but they're also very anti-establishment. I've met them a couple times. Seem like good dudes. I know people that have known them going back before they were famous. I think that was to awaken the population to the ADRENOCHROME, because they made fun of how actively pursuant people are for the shot, for the jab. So they almost went over the top. Like everyone has to have it. They have to have it tomorrow, right? Then they kind of went over the top with the 17 followers, right? The 17 researchers, which is, showed them in their basement getting together and all that. And part of that was they showed the adreno in that package. And I can't imagine that was a black hat operation. I think it was a white hat comm, because what are we talking about here? 17 saying we got to wake them up slowly. We got to show them. We can't tell them. We have to show them, right? Thoughts on that, and I'll see if I can pull it up here.
Well, I don't think that, they're totally in control of the media because the fact that they had Nancy Pelosi handcuffed on January the 24th just suddenly seeped out. So, they had her handcuffed. They were going through her office. That would be the FBI. Of course, they probably won't do anything because they're corrupt. But
Right.
why do they need to go through more of her stuff when they already have her laptop that's linked to China and linked to Antifa? She was contacting them, and she was getting very, very nervous. So they had to handcuff her for her own safety, and that was on January 24th. That is just seeping out right now. So I don't think that the Patriots have full control of the media, and yeah, they're still blocking a lot of stuff. So also we have a Richard Sidden journalist that is in D.C.